Welcome to the Learning Channel. Now, if you want to extrude, you have to first make region. Type REG and press enter, select the whole object and press enter, it will region. Now, to do extrusion, select any of the isometric view. Select the object, type EXD and press enter. Type the required height and press enter. For better appearance, change the view to realistic. Now, I have to make this plan 2D to 3D. To do this, follow the same procedure as done before, first make region and then use command extrude. For better appearance, change the view to realistic. Please like and subscribe. For more CAD and Revit videos, visit my channel.